Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. A lot of people ask me why I switched from Descript to Beach.io. Both have their pros and cons. .io have all the functions that Descript have. I will show you very quick, so hope you watch to the end of the video. Okay, first of all, you can see the subscription price of Beat.io is $9 for the live version and $24 for the pro version. Compared to Descript, it's slightly higher than Beach.io. The cheapest plan is $16 and the creator one is similar, $24. For Descript, I use this tool a lot when I need to edit the script of my videos. Almost every videos on my YouTube channel, I use Descript. You can see right here, I can edit, I can cut, I can trim. It's very easy to use. I can edit all of my videos just like a document. Also, Descript have a lot of smart features like remove filter word. I can remove any filter word I want. I can shorten the word gap. This one I use a lot because when I record the videos, I can have some mistake. Maybe I can repeat the sentence a lot of times. So this one is very powerful tool of Descript. Also, it has a lot of other functions like studio sounds. We have some eye contact, center speaker, green screen, or a lot of features you can see over here. So now compared to Vid.io, when I first use this tool, it's slightly different compared to Descript. I only use Descript for script editing. But what about Vid.io? This tool have a lot of function all in one. You can see you can create your own AI avatars. This one I use the most. You can have a lot of free stock video over here. You have a lot of stock music. You have voice clone. You have voiceover. You have text to speech. You also can use AI to generate image. You can edit the subtitles, you can edit the text. Vid.io have a lot of function as a video editor. So in the beginning of the videos, why I say that I switch from Descript to Vid.io. The main reason that I'm very interesting with it is Vid.io just released the transcript-based video editing just like Descript. You can see over here, you can edit all the videos just like edit a document. We can upload the videos, we can edit to the text, and we can enhance and export. I will show you right now. You can see I have a videos here. This video I record by myself. The very interesting new function is edit with script over here. I tune this one on. It will automatically transcribe the video for me. I can choose English, I can choose the videos, and I choose auto transcript. You can see right now it's very similar to Descript. You can edit the video just like an edit a document. I will choose this one and I will choose remove, very similar to Descript. Almost all the functions that Descript have, Beat.io also have. I will show you. Descript has remove filter word, it has studio sounds, it has remove retakes, it has shortened word gaps. All of these are powerful functions that make I use Descript for a long time. So with Beat.io, what did you have? You can see the magic tool over here. You choose this one, you can remove silence, very similar to Descript. Remove the silence for longer than 0.4 or even 0.2 if you want. You also can remove filter word. Interesting one is this magic cut. Remove all the bad text. It's very similar to remove retake on Descript. I will choose this one and I will choose continue over here in Magic Cut. You can see it's editing my media, it's picking my bad take, and I will see the script again. You can see Vid.io remove all my bad text on my script. It's super similar to Descript. Other function in Descript, Vid.io is very similar. Face filter, remove audio, eye contact, remove background, green screen, remove silence, everything Descript have. Vid.io also have. So that is the reason I switched from Descript to Vid.io. The price of those two is similar, but Vid.io have all the functions that Descript have. It also has the built-in video editor capacity. It have a lot of music. They have a lot of stock videos. It have a lot of AI generated functions. So clearly, Vid.io is worth for the money compared to Descript. That's all my videos. You can share what you think in the comment below. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next videos.